Hi, today we are going to perform day 2 network actions. So, when VMware made the deployment, we have to manage that network and we have to manage after the deployment. So, as an example, a machine has to be moved between a network. Likewise, there's a day 2 action for the storage group as well, in which we have to change the storage group of the machine. So in this lab, we will stick to the network and we will perform day two network actions. First, we'll create the network profile, then we'll deploy a template, and then we'll change the existing network. So let's proceed with the lab. In infrastructure, go in network. We have all these network discovered from vCenter. Click on network profiles. These two segments are already discovered from the VMware vSphere. Now we'll click here for the new network profile, specify day to action, then description testing day to action. In network tab, we'll add network, SA management, and SA production. We'll add that, and in SA management, we'll give a tag, save. In production, we'll tag it, create this network profile. So this is a day to action network profile which is created. These two network which was already discovered has been added into this profile. Now go in design, new blank canvas. In here we'll say network day to action. In here we'll select SMW fin, we'll create. From cloud agnostic, we'll drag and drop the machine. In here, we'll specify the image to be CentOS. VM should be small. Then we'll specify the inputs. It will be named network day 2. We'll specify description name, select an existing network in strings. We'll specify Vmware prod and click more options. In enumeration, specify VMW prod, VMW MG empty, click create, go in code, and we can see the enumeration, the input which has been created from cloud agnostic will drag drop and network, and in network go in properties, in network constraints specify net plus the input dot the property network day 2 will apply. We'll check the name network day 2, and in here the input is network day 2. We'll go in code, and in here we'll connect this to the network. So we can see the network code in a YAML. Now we can test this one. We'll just validate its network day 2. We specify network day 2 from input. Yep, it passed successfully. Now we'll deploy. We'll give the name network day 2 action. Click next. From in here in deployment, we'll choose management, deploy. Yep, now the deployment has been completed. We can see the IP is 172.20.10.200. Once we go in deployments, click here and try to update. From management, I want to change to prod. In that scenario, I submit the request, and after that I'll just wait for this deployment task to be completed. Now we can see it has changed from 172.20.10 to 172.20.11 to a different segment. So this is how the day 2 action for network can be performed. Thank you.